Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download Summertime Saga latest version. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser. So for this video I'm going to open Chrome, and here you need to search for Summertime Saga latest version. Click on that and click on the first website. So once you open, you simply need to scroll down, and this is the latest version 21.0.0, and then you need to click on download. So once you click on that, this page will be open, and here you can see Android, and this is Window and Mac. So I want to download for Android, so you simply need to click on Mega, and it will start download in your smartphone. So once it is downloaded, then you need to go into the file manager, and once you are here, you need to click on downloads, files, just open, and you will find file here, and you simply need to extract that, and then you can easily open and enjoy the game. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.